Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this braid out, and I'm going to link all the products down below, so if you want to see how I got this look, just please continue watching. So if you watched my last video, you'll see why half of my hair is in cornrows and why the other half is out. So if you want to go check that out, I'll leave the card. I'm going to start by moisturizing my hair in sections. I'm going to start by olive oil. I always use olive oil for every wash day. Once I rub that through, get that in, I'm going to go and move on to my leave-in. And for my leave-in for this braid out, I'm using the Sealing Cream by The Main Choice. It's their Tropical Moringa line, and I love this. It's super moisturizing. So once I've worked that all in, I'm just going to twist it up and move on to the next sections, which I did off camera. I did take a break after this, so what I did, I put a shower cap on my head to retain moisture, and once it was ready, I came back and started the braid out process. So this is how my hair was looking after everything was moisturized. So for my styler, I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. This is another one of my favorites. So I'm just starting by putting in the product bit by bit, starting at the roots towards the ends, and then I'll work some of the product at the ends. And I'll just try to get equal parts for my braid, which is very hard. The first braid is really not the size I wanted, but it honestly takes me like the whole half of my head to figure out the size that I want. So I just go ahead and start braiding, and I basically do this for each section. Since my whole head is moisturized already, I only have to apply the styler to my hair. So I'm just going to leave you guys here and come back once I'm finished. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. So some tips for a braid out is not to do the braid all the way down. So you will see me like stopping a little before I'm at the end. I'll comb it out a little bit with a rat tail comb or fine tooth comb, whatever you want to call it. And I coil the end around my finger. If the coil isn't looking good, what I'll do, I'll take the coil out a little bit and I'll actually twist it and then I'll coil it. The final results, guys. I didn't get to film the takedown because I injured my thumb really bad the next day, which is the day I was gonna take down the braid out, and my boyfriend actually had to help me with my hair, so I just didn't bother to film it. But these are the final results, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.